away. Yeah. So they need to check whether it is, because that helps them determine if you would have like a natural birth or planned cesarean, that type of thing. So, but yeah, it's right up here. So it's definitely well out of opening of the uterus is right down here. So it's right out of our way. So that's good. Okay, we'll just finish getting a bit of ID now. Did you want me to tell you what it is today, or?
Can you write it down and not tell me?
Yeah, I can do that.
Thank you.
I do that for people. Yep, no worries.
I can already tell.
Huh? No, I'm just saying people ask me to do that. So yeah, I'm happy to write it down on a piece of paper if that's what you like.
Thank you.
No problems.
Undecided.
You still have you think about it, so you
Yeah.
either open it or burn it. So you don't open it.
Pretty much.
Or hide it. Hide the letter for another time. I'll stick a stamp on it so you know what's in the envelope, so you don't accidentally open it or something like that.
Okay, thank you.
Alright baby, which way are you going? You have a look first. So now that the baby's this size, we have to do measurements of different parts of the baby. So, we'll start doing some measurements. This is baby's belly.
It's already a lot bigger from last time.
Doesn't take them much to change in size. Now I'm going to get a little measurement, a little thigh bone here. There's two little thigh bones in that picture actually, but we're just going to measure the top one here. And then, if we can, sorry, come pushing the bladder for a second. And get a measurement. And that's the little head. That's going to be at a certain angle to get the right measurements. That's good.
Got the head.
Yeah,
It's not
little
very
set
little
of
to me.
little set of fingers there. Another little hand over there. Yeah, this is the head. So we do like a measurement from side to side, and then we do like a measurement around the skull as well. Now, we'll also get a measurement on its heart rate. Here. Beautiful. Good, 147 beats a minute, so that's great. Now, what we do now is we start looking at all different parts of the baby. So this is baby's abdomen, this is its little stomach. And move through the abdomen and also check to see where its little kidneys are. Kidneys here. We'll get them from a couple of ways. This is picking up the blood flowing to the two kidneys. This is where the cord goes in at its belly here. And then we also will check the cord once it's entered into the abdomen. It's good. You can see this little cord and this little bladder. That's a good start. So everything's looking good with its little abdomen there. Will you show me your face, baby? Hide it away from me.
Thanks for the nose.
Yeah, a little tip of its nose. It's got a little chin tucked into its chest a bit there, right there. So if we get the frontal view instead. You can see the little legs of its eye, moving its mouth a bit there.
Not the hand in the
Yeah,
head.
have a little hand there, that's that. Moving its mouth up and down at the moment. Just a minute. Its little lips. Put that hand out the way, baby. Just pop them in front of the lips. And we'll get to that.
We're there right now.
Now we're just going to have a little look from the top of the skull. Same thing, little eye sockets here again. Just check the shape of these eye sockets. Checking now the little parts of the brain that we need to see, so I'm just going to do that now. This is all looking good though. Beautiful. Nice shaped head, your baby. Your baby's going to have quite squashy heads. It's the right shape.
I'm expecting that head to get bigger.
Yeah, way bigger. Sorry to tell you. It's teeny at the moment. It's pretty crazy, isn't it? You think you're growing something inside you. Little eyes. It's pretty cool. Some pretty teeny tiny things. Alright, let's have a little look. We might be able to capture the heart just because of where it's lying. Right now. This little arm keeps getting in my way. Get past that little arm. And these babies have a little bit of negotiation sometimes. Get the pictures I need. Beautiful. Boy. Can you feel it moving much yet?
Not that I've noticed really.
No. They're still
Okay.
they still don't weigh very much at this age, so very good, very high chance you won't feel them, but it's just amazing how much they're moving around, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel the heartbeat all the time now.
Yeah, okay.
That's definitely one thing I noticed.
Yeah.
And then when I lay down and we just look at the stomach, you can see the
You can
heartbeat.
start to see it moving around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the heart, just because of its size and the complexity of it, we just take quite a few pictures of that. So I'm just going to be spending a little bit of time on that right now, just to make sure everything's looking okay. I'm going to pick up some little areas just to watch the blood pumping around the heart too now.